Hey y'all, we got a new look. We got some new hair from Amazon. Y'all, I've been looking at this hair and wanted to do this style for so long, but I was a little iffy, a little nervous about it. But I was like, you know what? It's only $27. Well, it was $27 at the time that I bought it. So I was like, let's just go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did my base. The thing with these particular crochet braids is your base, like because I'm doing the illusion, let's talk, method, the base, they gotta be small for it to look right. You can't go in with no super big cornrows or super big braids and think that you're gonna crochet this stuff in and make it look good. So I sectioned my hair off, two in the front, adding some Amika for some leave-in because you always know we gotta hydrate, we gotta moisturize our hair before a protective style. And this is a really decent protective style, you guys. It didn't take me any time to do and it didn't cost much. So here is my braid pattern. All I did, if you don't know the illusion method by now, there's so many videos. I've done plenty of them on YouTube. There's so many that plenty of these beautiful girls have done on here. Take some time, go look it up. It's super simple. All you're doing is making individual braids in the front, and then I'm just connecting them to the next braid in the back. So a bunch of singles, and then you just kind of connect them, forming an illusion, forming that you did these braids, which I'm about to give you an up close look. They're like supposed to be all singles, but they're not. They're crochet, which don't take as much time as doing 30-inch single braids. So I have about 18 or 19 singles in the front, and of course I'm doing a middle part, which is why I have the 2-row, and then the rest of the hair you're just going to cornrow. My cornrows were a little bit smaller in the front, and then they just got bigger and joined together because the hair is nice and full. It's going to cover your cornrows underneath. So this is the hair, you guys, up close look. You've got about 3 inches or so of actual twist. I'll give you an up close look in just a second, and then the rest is just like this wavy loose texture, and I have mine in 30 inches, I believe. These suckers are long, so all I'm doing, y'all, is just crocheting them in. This was one of the easiest crochets I have done in such a long time. This should not take you any time, you guys, and I really wanted to show this look because prom is coming up, events are coming up, weddings and this and that, and for all my girls who are going to prom, for all my soon-to-be brides, for if you just, you know, have a weekend trip, you want your hair to look decent like I did. This is the reason why I did this look, and you don't want to spend a lot of money, not a lot of time. This is a really good look for you. I'm saying this right now before y'all try and come at me. This is not a look that's going to last you weeks upon weeks. I've had this in for 4 days now, and I'm about to take it out tomorrow, especially in this length. Now, I don't know, obviously the shorter you go, probably it will last you a lot longer, but in these 30 inches, that's all I can speak of. I got my cute look out of them. I got exactly what I wanted for the weekend, and I was happy, and it took me no time to do. So I think it's well worth it, and I think this look would be so cute for prom and events, just depending on the length of them. You have styling options, which is why I say that, and depending on how small you do your cornrows underneath, the more options I'm sure you will have. So this is the first day after I installed them all. This is how I was looking. We ran and got something to eat, so I put on a little lipstick, did my edges. But let me show you guys exactly how I did my edges and how I'm going to take care of my scalp with this protective style. So I'm using my scalp serum from Living Proof. This is their density serum. I love this stuff. Make sure you are consistent with it. I have been talking about this, and also the Briogeo one is really good. So just applying it right in the front, mainly where my hair is not the fullest, and of course just tap whatever's left over right on the edge of my hairline, because I do want my edges to lay. I really go in more so when it's bedtime with the density serum versus the daytime. But yeah, so next, y'all, I'm going to take a little bit of my Fenty edge control because I like this stuff, not too much, because I'm also going to use my Blue Lagoon jam on top of it, just because it just, y'all know, this is my stuff right here. I didn't put y'all on. I hope y'all love it just as much as I do. And then I'm just going to lay my edges, and then I'm going to add a little bit of my Design Essentials foam. I don't like to add too many products. Foam isn't too necessary because I'm not doing cornrows. Like, it's not my own hair, you know, it's not my natural hair, it's crochet hair. So I just use just a little bit right at the top, and then I'm gonna lay my edges down for about 5 to 10 minutes. And just a FYI, you guys, 1 pack is enough. So that one single price, it comes with like 8 different packs, I believe, 7 or 8 different packs of hair. That's enough for a full head. You don't have to purchase multiple packs. And altogether, this took me between like 2.5 hours to 3 hours to do my entire head. So braid down, crochet, everything. So this is day 2, I believe, with this hair, and it's going to tangle a bit, you guys, but honestly, it was nothing that I couldn't handle, and it's long. Again, the shorter you go with this, the better off you will be. But all I'm doing is just adding a little bit of foam just to get the curls to kind of clump together, if that makes sense. And of course, take the frizz out just a little bit, and then I'm just gonna twist them both up, like I'm doing this on both sides, and just add a little flexi rod. This is also how I wore my hair at night. Just doing 2 braids is enough. And surprisingly, y'all, if you follow me on TikTok, you be getting stuff first lately. I posted this last week or whatever. The girls wanted to know if this was heavy, and y'all, I say this, I put this on everything. This hair is not heavy at all. It is so lightweight, which is so crazy because the amount of hair and how long it is. But that's what I think I love the most about it. Like, I can deal with, you know, taking 5 minutes to detangle the entire head and then putting a little something in it, doing my edges. All in all, this takes me maybe 5 minutes to get dressed in the morning, but it's so lightweight. You can throw it up in a bun, which I'll show you guys at the end of this video. But here's how we are looking when everything is all said and done. So you can wear this hair down. Obviously, you got some styling options, and just look how good it looks, you guys. Again, I say do not keep this in your head, especially at this length, for that long, because it's just loose synthetic crochet hair. It's going to tangle over time, and I don't want you getting all frustrated. But I think it's so cute for a good switch up. You've got a big date on the weekend, you know, coming up. You need something quick to do with your hair, something expensive. We watching our coins and saving a lot more. Also, bridesmaids, brides, you got options with this hair so that everyone looks cohesive, everyone looks good. My prom girls, and it can go from day to night too. So yeah, y'all, just wanted to give you guys a different option, something I have not done in a while. Just some loose hair, inexpensive hair that I really ended up loving, and my husband loved it as well. Everyone I came into contact with wanted to know exactly what I was wearing because it looked really good. So y'all, make sure you check the description box. I'll have everything down there, the direct link, like always, to this hair, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, let me know, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.